All you need is plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Sanskriti Namaskar, dear friends. Greetings of the day, esteemed listeners. I feel so delighted and honored to welcome you all in 204th episode of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan. We always give our best to bring you all the essential and important news of Sanskriti. I am extremely thankful to those who have directly and indirectly helped to make this episode happen. I congratulate the little news reporters of class 8th B for getting this opportunity to be the news reporters of this weekly news bulletin. I extend my gratitude to the class teacher for guiding the children. We also have parents and teachers' message for us. So, without any further ado, let's move forward to today's news bulletin.
Namaskar, delightful ones. I, Prachi Soni, class teacher as well as English mentor of grade 8th B, welcomes you all in Sanskriti Bulletins. Let us embrace the positivity and unfold the layers of initiations. Today, I am feeling cheery to present the student of my class for this news. So let us start to know what had happened this week.
Legal awareness helps us to promote knowledge of legal culture, participation in formation of law and rule of law. Sanskritians were trained by district judiciary about their security and legal directions. Sexual harassment can be worst crime in one's life. Thereby, students were given required information about protection with a view of self-defense and awareness. Thank you.
The aim of Shikha Saptah is to promote collaboration and the impactful educational reforms introduced by the National Education Policy 2020 among students, educators and stakeholders. To celebrate this week, various activities was organized by the Eco Club member of Sanskriti, where students participated with full energy and enthusiasm, showing their love for nature. Thank you.
Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter on the window pane. It feels soothing and lovely when we hear about rain. To feel this emotion of beauty, Sanskriti school celebrated the festival of rain for primary kids. They ran, they jumped, they laughed, they danced and had a fun-loving day. Thank you.
On 10th August 2024, Sanskriti is organizing investiture ceremony, in which students will be bestowed with the positions of authority and responsibilities. These positions will include student council members, house captains, ministers, and other leadership roles.
The wait of result of CBA examination is over. The PTM is going to be organized for classes 9 to 12th and for classes 1st to 8th on 17th August. Respective teacher will be discussing and interacting about the holistic development journey of students with their parents positively. Thank you.
Learning is a process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, value, attitude, and preferences. To teach is to learn, enhancing the classroom quality, content delivery. Teachers training session was held in Sanskriti Bal Vatika, which was conducted by Yash Seni. We are thankful to the trainer for such a wonderful session. Thank you.
An inter-house poem recitation competition was organized in Sanskrit, in which students of classes 9th and 10th from all the 4 houses participated and developed the skill of speaking and reciting poems. The Day of Joy and Remembering our Freedom Fighter Festival. To celebrate the incredible independence of our country, Sanskriti will celebrating the Festival of Freedom whole upcoming week, with various programs for that students are actively participating to show their love for the nation. Thank you.
Behavior is sometimes greater than knowledge because in life there are many situations where knowledge can fail but behavior can handle everything. So we must remain calm and politely handle the every situation in life.
श्रुति नमस्कार मित्रों, एक बार पुनः आप सभी को मित्रता से ओतप्रोत फ्रेंडशिप डे की सहस्त्र कोटि शुभकामनाएं। मित्रता वह रिश्ता है जिसे परिभाषित कर पाना उतना सहज और सरल नहीं है, परंतु यही वह रिश्ता है जिसे आप प्रायोगिक रूप से सिद्ध कर सहज ही बच्चों के समक्ष उदाहरण प्रस्तुत कर सकते हैं। शिक्षक और अभिभावकों का रिश्ता मित्रता का ही रिश्ता होता है, जिनके बीच की कड़ी बच्चा होता है, जिसके उज्जवल भविष्य के निर्माण में हमारी मित्रता एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका अदा करती है। शिक्षकों और अभिभावकों के बीच का समन्वय ही यह निर्धारित करता है कि बच्चों की प्रगति का स्तर क्या होगा, उसकी उपलब्धियों की क्या सीमा होगी। अतः अभिभावक मित्रों, मैं संस्कृति विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आप सभी अभिभावकों से नम्र निवेदन करूंगी कि आइए शिक्षक, पालक और बालक की इस त्रिवेणी को सबल बनाएं। पीटीएम के माध्यम से, ईमेल, व्हाट्सएप, स्कूल ऐप, बच्चे की स्कूल डायरी के माध्यम से जितना अधिक हो सके उतना अधिक शिक्षक और अभिभावक आपस में संवाद करते रहें। इससे बच्चे के अंदर एक अनूठे उत्साह और ऊर्जा का संचार होता रहेगा और वह निरंतर पल प्रतिपल उन्नति की ओर अग्रसर होगा। अंत में आप सभी को हरियाली महोत्सव की अनंत कोटि शुभकामनाएं। आइए प्रति सप्ताह अनुसार मिलकर दोहराएं, सुखी बसे संसार सब, दुखिया रहे न कोई, यह अभिलाषा हम सबकी भगवन पूरी हो। शुभ रात्रि, शुभ सप्ताह, स्वस्थ रहें, व्यस्त रहें, मस्त रहें।